Alright, y'all, I'm back with another video, man. So look, we got this Cadillac up on the lift. Getting ready to come up out of here soon. Transmission for it. Thing tore down. So this is what's going on. The rear main was leaking. So it's right here, replacing that seal. Had to drop the oil pan. Had to take the transmission out to get to it. And I had 2 leaks on the transmission. So they repaired this leak here. This one is leaking. You can see a little fresh fluid right there. So they can take this off and seal that. Put everything back together, but for the most part, it's a solid car, man. So this should be off the lift in about a week. Be ready to do some more shit to it. Yep, we working, baby. We working. Should come along. So I'll post some more videos of progress. I'll see y'all soon.